Welcome to Urban Knife Guy. In my previous video, I shared how to build an urban survival tin for disruption, disaster, or attack. If you missed it, check out the link in the card above or in the description below. The video was very well received and thanks for all the comments on the urban survival tin. I did get comments and an email about the Altoids tin itself. Many people in this part of the world have no way of getting the tin easily, so this got me thinking, if I could fit my tin in another tin, or at least the stuff inside this tin. And the short answer is yes. In fact, in the early stages of designing the urban survival tin, I came across a different size tin of a brand of cough drops that is commonly found in Southeast Asia. This is the brand of cough drops. It is Hudson's cough drops. I bought one and did play around with fitting it with the urban survival items, but eventually I got the Altoids tin and designed my kit for that. But now I've revisited this tin to see if it could fit all the items in the Altoids tin, and let's check it out. Let's first have a look at this brand of cough drops. Like Altoids, the Hudson's cough drops come in different flavors. This is the original U-menthol jujubes flavor. This is a pure gum jujube, a gum base derived from the acacia tree with a combination of two main ingredients, eucalyptus and menthol, hence U-menthol. This is how the cough drop looks like. It is sweet and slightly spicy and very mentholy. These cough drops are available across Southeast Asia, including Singapore, Malaysia, Brunei, Philippines, and Indonesia. Now, I'm not sure if my friends in Vietnam, Thailand, Cambodia, or Myanmar have them, but I think they should be easier to find than Altoids and definitely less expensive. The challenge was whether I could transfer all the items from my Altoids tin into this tin. The Hudson's tin is actually not as wide as the Altoids tin. It's shorter in width by about 1/4 of an inch, although it is longer. So the dimensions are different, but my items were designed for the Altoids tin. So can everything fit inside here? The great news is yes, I can fit everything inside the tin with even a little space to spare. So let's check it out. First, let's open up the tin. It does have ranger bands which are holding it in place. These are just thick black bands. And the lid is a pull-off style lid, not a hinging lid like the Altoids tin. And right at the top, we have the Wallet Ninja and the Sparrow's Flex Pass. We have my little first aid kit of bandages and some utility items like the safety paperclip, bobby pin, and a needle. And you can see the rest of the items inside, from the flashlight, glow stick, duct tape, eye drops, a small knife, painkillers, Leatherman squirt, cable tie, a nail, a lighter with hemp wick, dental floss, antiseptic cream in a straw. We have some matches which are waterproof, and underneath we have a survival whistle and some cotton wool soaked in Vaseline or petroleum jelly, which is also inside a straw. So everything is inside and they're more or less in about the same place. The only difference is the painkillers have been moved, the knife has been moved from here to here, and the eye drops were also moved from here to here. But by and large, if you watch the same video, you will see it's roughly around the same. And you can see there's still quite a lot of space to put more stuff. You could maybe do more straws to put different items inside. And I think you could still put more functionality, both for utility, illumination, and maybe even first aid. So I'm not going to redesign this kit, but I'll let you think of other items that you can fit inside. So make a video and share it with me, or just let me know your ideas in the comments below. There are two ways you can carry this tin. You can simply put the ranger bands on and carry it in your pocket or in your bag, or you can use a pouch. And I shared this modern pouch in my previous video. It's made of PVC, a bit of sponge, very inexpensive. You can get it on AliExpress, Amazon, or Shopee, or a local marketplace that you have. And even though the Hudson's tin is longer, it fits inside, and you can just zip it up just like that, bring it around very conveniently. And the great thing is there's actually more space. There's space at the top to put some card items, but because the tin is not as wide, there's extra space below over here. So you could even put a bigger knife like this Victorinox Alox Cadet, and that can fit in and you've got a very handy survival tin package that you can bring around. This has been a short video as I just wanted to show my Southeast Asia friends how they can build an urban survival tin even without an Altoids tin. Do check out the previous full video and also head over to urbanknifeguide.com to download a free guide. I put together a written guide with details, photos and product links for all the different items inside the survival tin. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you liked the content in general, please subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep it covered, keep it safe.